Now, I am going to show you in a little bit how we would sell this, but first, let's talk about investing in cryptocurrency and purchasing a crypto asset. We're also going to be sending crypto assets over to this account too, just so you're aware. So what I'm going to do now is click on the X, and we're going to look at cryptos, and we're going to look at the most popular. And no surprise here, the most popular is going to be Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is actually difficult to send and receive. It's rather expensive and slow. So what I'm actually going to do is show you how to purchase Solana here. So we're going to choose that under XRP, and then we can see Solana listed. And actually on this screen here, it shows us some of the charting features we have here within Kraken. So this is going to be helpful for some people who are looking to conduct research and possibly some technical analysis. It mentions here you can tap and hold on any crypto asset chart and then drag up and down to easily trade at that price. So if you guys are familiar with Robinhood Legend, I've done some content on them before. They've done a similar feature here where you can just do this drag and drop line to execute orders. It's probably not going to be useful for me here, but if you are actively trading and doing some possible day trading here with crypto, this could be a really nifty feature. If we scroll down here though, we can get some additional information here about Solana. Starting off with the overview, it's showing us this is the number 6 market rank and a $108 billion market cap, representing about 2.8% of the global crypto market. 24-hour volume sits at about $10 billion, shows the circulating supply all-time high, 24-hour range, the 1-year range, and the trading activity in terms of buying versus selling. So right now, at least within Kraken, 65.8% of users are buying and only 34.2% are selling. If we click over here on orders, it's going to show us our previous activity here with Solana, which we have none. And then transactions, same thing. We don't have any history here. But what we're going to do now is click on the buy button at the bottom, and then we can input the amount that we are looking to buy. So this is going to be $50 here for us to keep it easy. It's going to be the rest of our balance. And then we can go ahead and click on the purple arrow. Now this time we are going to be paying a small fee here to Kraken. We're going to pay 50 cents to trade $50 worth of crypto. And then again, if you wanted to look at offsetting those fees with Kraken Plus, you have that available here as an option if you want to check that box and look into that yourself. But we're just going to click on confirm. And just like that, we have bought $50 of Solana. If I click on the X now and then click on back and then navigate back to my portfolio, we can see our portfolio updating in real time. So we're now under $100. That's because of the 50-cent fee that we paid and then market fluctuation.